You clicked on this video because every side hustle you've seen, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, print on demand, needs time, big money, or a following you don't have. I went through dozens of side hustles and found 3 that actually work for 9-to-5ers. Workers across America are quietly running these after clocking out. By the end, you'll have the exact steps to start each one. I call it the quiet pay stack. And Hustle 3, your 9-to-5 job already gave you everything you need for it. The moment you hear it, you'll think you missed it. You haven't. This might be the last side hustle you ever need to search for. I call this first hustle the dial-free setter system. That name will make sense in 60 seconds. Some businesses sell expensive things. $5,000 coaching programs, $10,000 consulting packages. These businesses make real money, but they all share one problem. Their calendar is half empty, and an empty calendar means 0 sales, no matter how good they are. That's where you come in, and your only job is this: find people who might be interested. Start a simple conversation. Get them to book a call with the business. That's it. You don't sell anything, you just fill the calendar, and the business pays you every single time someone actually shows up on that call. Now you're probably thinking this sounds like cold calling strangers all day. It's not. In 2026, the best setters work through DMs on Instagram and LinkedIn, 2 to 3 hours after work, from their couch. No office, no boss watching. But here's what most beginners get completely wrong, and it's the exact reason some setters make $500 a month while others make $5,000 doing the same work. Most beginners think the game is sending more messages, more DMs, more replies. They grind for weeks and end up with almost nothing, because they were measuring the wrong thing the entire time. After deep research, I found this man, a warehouse worker from Ohio, who started appointment setting after his 9-to-5. First month he made $600. Then he stopped chasing volume and started tracking one number: how many people actually showed up on the call. Not replies, not DMs, just show-ups. That number is called your show rate. Month 3 he hit $3,200. Same hours, same hustle, just the right number. Setters who track show rate consistently pull $3,000 to $6,000 a month while keeping their full-time job. Here is your exact first step. Open LinkedIn. Search for coaches or consultants selling any offer above $2,000. Send them this simple message: I want to book qualified calls for you. You only pay me when someone shows up. That removes all risk for them. No experience needed. Just that one message. Most YouTube channels waste your time with fake numbers. Everything on this channel is research-based and built for real 9-to-5 schedules. Hit subscribe, it's free. Hustle 1 pays you every time you work. You stop working, you stop getting paid. But what if you could build something once and keep getting paid for it weeks later without touching it again? That's exactly what Hustle 2 does. I call this the desk to dollar flip. Think about what you do every single day at your job. Maybe you write emails. Maybe you manage spreadsheets. Maybe you know how to handle customer complaints or onboard new hires. You've been doing it so long it feels normal to you, almost boring. But here's what you don't realize. Somewhere in America right now, someone is desperately searching for exactly that knowledge, and they're willing to pay for it today. You take that knowledge, write it down in a clean 10-page guide, add some simple templates, record a 20-minute screen walkthrough showing how to use it. That's your product. Done. You didn't need a camera. You didn't need a following. You just needed what you already knew. Now, most people put this on Gumroad for $47 and wait. A few sales come in, maybe $200 a month, and they think that's the ceiling.
It's not.
There's a completely different buyer out there, one that pays 3 to 10 times more for that exact same document, and almost nobody is going after them. After deep research, I found this man, a project manager from Atlanta who built a simple onboarding checklist from his 9-to-5 job. He sold it on Gumroad for $57, made a few $100s. Then one small marketing agency found it and offered him $1,400 for the full document plus the right to put their name on it. Same document, 10 minutes of emailing, almost 6 times more money. That buyer is called an agency. Agencies need ready-made guides because building them takes weeks. They buy yours, put their name on it, and sell it to their own clients. You build it once. They pay you once. But at agency rates, not Gumroad rates. Here is your exact first step. Write down 3 things you do every week at your job. Pick the one that saves the most time. Build a 10-page guide around it. Then find 2 small agencies on LinkedIn that do similar work. Send them one message offering your guide as a ready-made resource. That one conversation could be worth more than 20 Gumroad sales combined. By the way, a complete 7-day roadmap for this hustle and all 3 on this list is ready for you right now. Exact steps, day by day, starting from 0. Completely free. Just click the link in the description below. Hustle 1 pays you for your time. Hustle 2 pays you for your knowledge. But Hustle 3 pays you for something you have been using every single day at work without realizing it has a price tag on it. I call this the paycheck to program system, and remember what we said at the very beginning of this video, your 9 to 5 job already gave you everything you need for this hustle. This is exactly what we meant. Keep watching. Every single day at your job you are using a real skill. Maybe it is math, maybe it is writing, maybe it is speaking English clearly, maybe it is using Excel or any software. You have been doing it so long it feels like nothing special. But right now, somewhere in America, a student, a worker, or a parent is searching for someone who knows exactly that skill. They want to pay someone to teach them. That someone could be you. This is online tutoring. But before you think that is just helping kids with homework for $15 an hour, stop right there. Because that version exists. And there is another version that pays 3 times more. Same skill, completely different approach. And most tutors never make this shift. Here is the shift. Stop selling hours, start selling outcomes. Instead of charging $25 for one session, build a simple 4-week program. 6 students, one clear goal, maybe improving their Excel skills or passing one specific test. You teach once. 6 people pay you at the same time. Your income from that 1 hour just tripled. Same knowledge, same time, completely different result. But here is the part that most people never find out. After deep research, I found this man, a data analyst from Dallas who tutored Excel on the side for $20 an hour. He had a few students, made maybe $300 a month. Then someone told him to try something completely different. He sent one email to the HR manager of a small tech company nearby. He offered a 4-week Excel training program for their employees. The company said yes. 8 employees signed up. He charged $150 per person. That one email made him $1,200 in a single month, more than 4 times what the platform ever paid him. And this is the open door that is still wide open right now. Companies have training budgets sitting unused every single quarter, money set aside specifically to teach their employees new skills. And a 9 to 5 worker with any skill, writing, Excel, communication, any software, can walk straight into that budget with one simple email to an HR team. No platform, no followers, no algorithm. Now you understand exactly what we said at the very start. Your 9 to 5 already gave you everything. You were just sending the invoice to the wrong person. Here is your exact first step. Write down the one skill you use most at your job. Go to Google and search that skill plus the word tutor. See what people are already charging. Then build a simple 4-week program around that skill. Find one small company on LinkedIn. Send their HR team one message this week. That one email could be worth more than anything else on this entire list. So there you have it. 3 hustles built for real 9 to 5 schedules. Fill calendars and get paid per show up. Turn your job knowledge into a product agencies will buy. Teach the skill you already use every day to clients nobody else is targeting. The only question is, where do you start tomorrow? The complete 7-day roadmap for all 3 hustles answers exactly that. Day by day, step by step, completely free. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.